Today, let's look at adding and subtracting numbers while they're still in scientific notation. We're starting out with something very small here. Here, we'll look at a very small number that has a high, well, at least a high number, negative exponent. Then we'll take a look at subtracting, again, starting out something very basic, something a little bit more complex, and then to practice and check problems, see how you're doing. So, let's get straight into it. When they had the same power, see where 4.5 times 10 to the third power, it's right here on the left. The right one has the exact same exponent as well. When they have the same power, you're allowed to do this. Let me just kind of move this underneath it. And basically, all that's going to happen here is that you add the front numbers, the 4.5 plus the 2.1. Obviously, you can see it's going to be 6.6, but we don't do anything with the exponents. We keep the exponents exactly the same. And so that's it. That's our answer, 6.6 times 10 to the third power. Now, how do you know if it works? When it's something small like this, you can figure out what it is in standard form. So 4.5 times 10 to the third power is the same as 450. 2.1 times 10 to the third power is the same as 210. What's 450 plus 210? 660. The same thing that we got right here. So that's why it works. So again, when you're looking at adding two numbers that are in scientific notation, if they have the same exponent, and here they do, then basically all you have to do is add the front number. And so I can slide that back over underneath like that, and then just basically go and add. If there's more decimals, all you have to do is add a 0, just like you were always taught before. 0 plus 7 is 7. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. And now we've got 4 plus 2 is 6. Keep the exact same exponent on the power of 10 there. So 6.957 times 10 to the negative 23rd power is the answer. When we go to subtract, we're lucky. As long as they have the same exponent, we just have to literally subtract the front number. Don't worry about changing the exponent. So 7.6 times 10 to the second power minus 5.4 times 10 to the second power is nothing more than 2.2 times 10 to the second power. And again, they have the same exponent. So let's just go and subtract. I threw this one in so that way you would see that if you had to borrow or regroup, you would handle it the exact same way that you always have. And look, there are going to be a lot of problems where they don't have the same exponent. I'll teach you that tomorrow when we continue this lesson. I just want you to get the basics here. And try these two problems. Pause the video and hit play when you're ready. Okay, here we go. This is what you should have gotten for 21. Same exponent, so we just add 5.2 plus 3.6 and we get 8.8. Keep the same exponent. And for number 22, same exponent, so we subtract 7.9 minus 6.8 to get 1.1. Keep the same exponent.